Hello and welcome back to another video. You are watching Phones on Touch here with me Karishma, and today we are going to talk about HTC's One E9. Yes, हम already one series के बारे में बात कर चुके हैं, HTC One series के बारे में हम discuss कर चुके हैं, but today we are going to discuss about HTC One E9 out there. E9 की बात करें तो it has already two different more variants out there, which are E9 Plus and ES out there. But talking about this was the first variant out in the E9 series. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant has got some other specifications which might be considered as an upgraded version or can be considered as a new variant out here. Talking about the specifications, as compared to E8, yes, it was considered as an upgraded version of E8. Yes, HTC One E8 was the precursor for E9, and comparing to that, it has a slightly heavier weight, which is more than 2 grams out there. As well as talking about the screen size, it has a screen size of 5 inches increase. Yes, 0.5 inches has increased out there. We can say that total screen size for this model is now 5.5 inch. Along with that, you will get to see a more improved IPS capacitive touch screening out there, apart from the Super LCD 3 capacitive touch screening. It also runs with only double SIM slotation phones. It does not have a single slotation. It runs with double SIM slotation phone out there. Along with that, the phone out here, the variant out here, E9 is having a PPI density of 401. Yes, it is having a density of 401, which is again a very good variant. But considering or comparing it to E8, it could be considered a low variant because E8 already had 441 PPI density. Whereas talking about this variant, talking about E9 out there, it runs on Android 5. Yes, it runs on Android, which is again upgradable up to Android 6. मतलब Android 6 का अगर upgrade हो सकता है तो definitely it's a good variation out here. It can be considered a nice variant out there. Whereas you get to see MediaTek processing system out there, except the Snapdragon. Yes, this time Snapdragon is not the MediaTek is there, so it can be considered as an okay variant out here, not a very good variant, but an okay variant out here. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant has got the expandability too. You can expand your external storage capacity as it only gives you about 16 GB RAM along with 2 GB storage. Like 2 GB storage capacity is not a very good. 2 GB RAM is not a very good variant we would consider. Where 16 GB storage capacity is okay. But 16 GB tak we need an expandability. So expandability is very necessary in this, and such phones are giving us expandability up to 64 GB. So this is very good variation out here. Whereas talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers a great range in the camera quality because 13 megapixel camera quality is still there in this variant. मतलब E9 में भी आपको देखने को मिल रही है 13 megapixel, which was a good variant out there in E8. Whereas if we talk about the selfie camera or if we talk about selfie, the secondary camera or anything about that, then it can be considered a draw. Why we say a drawback out there? Because earlier we had seen ki E8 already had 5 megapixel selfie camera, whereas you get to see 4 megapixel selfie camera. But the good quality of, we can say, advantage over this is that it has HDR inbuilt in it. Yes, HDR feature is also there in the selfie camera, in the front camera. But video quality could be considered a drawback. Video quality पे अभी भी काम करना होगा HTC को in these models out there. Whereas you get to see all the specification, whether it's Bluetooth, its connectivity, or its hotspot area, or anything out there. Everything could be considered a good variant because it has all the variations, all the specifications out there, same way. Whereas the battery life of this variant could be considered a better version because this offers you a battery life of 2800 mAh. Like 2800 mAh battery life could be considered a great variant out there. मतलब कह सकते हैं अच्छा variant है. Talking about these great variants out there, there is a site which offers you a great deal with these kind of mobile, with these kind of gadgets. You get to see great offers on the site which is named as phonezone.ae. The site name is this phonezone.ae. आपको बस Google पे जाना है, you can type this, or you can click on the link in the description box and you will get to such kind of a site. आप ऐसी site पर आ जाएंगे. What this site offers you is a great range of products in these brands. Yes, in these brands you get n number of products. The search icon helps you to identify a specified result out there, a specified model. Apart from that, you get COD, free home delivery, 6 months warranty, 7 days exchange policy also. And if we consider specifically E9, if we consider, then we can have a condition out there and we can search in this icon box. So let us search this icon or this model out here, which is E9. Talking about E9, I already told you there are variant models of E9, E9, E9 plus, E9S. So we are talking about only the one variant, which is E9. So let us talk about that first. Talking about the result, we have come up with the result out here. So let us see what is actual result out there. Result में आपको description box देखने को मिलेगा. You get to see such kind of a description box where all the specifications have been mentioned out there. Its camera, its battery life, its usage capacity, everything has been mentioned out here. Talking about this variant, there is a condition written over here which is refurbished condition. This is the condition outside written, refurbished condition. And let us talk about refurbished condition first, then we can talk about the pricing and this side. But सबसे पहले बात करते हैं refurbished condition की. Talking about the refurbished product or the refurbished word or brand new मतलब difference, इन सब के बारे में बात करें तो कहा जा सकता है कि refurbished word का खुद का मतलब refurbished itself means brand new or means creating something brand new. Like this is actually what refurbished means. Whereas if we talk about the actual meaning or the definition of refurbished, it's something like creating something newly like. So that's the actual meaning by Google or everywhere in the dictionary out there. Refurbished means this. Whereas talking about the word refurbished or talking about refurbishedness, we can say that there is no major difference out there between the refurbished product and the brand new product. Yes, the brand new product as well as the refurbished product both are absolutely the same. Whereas the difference lies out in some of the categories like the pricing and everything, there lies the difference. But when we talk about the criteria, the specifications, or anything about the brand, it's absolutely the same one out here. Yes, these are absolutely same out there. You will get to see that the brands, the model out there is actually the same exact way the brand new has to be. Yes, the brand new has to be like, if we talk about the display, if we talk about its touch quality, if we talk about the camera, if we talk about the audio quality, capitalization, if we talk about the screening, if we talk about anything of the phone, like कुछ भी इसकी किसी भी specification की बात करनी हो, किसी भी बारे में बात करना हो, it's absolutely the same out here. Yes, it's absolutely the same. Whereas if we talk about this variant, if we talk about the variant out here, हम कह सकते हैं कि काफी ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Because the refurbished products are categorized, testified, verified, or we can say testimonial is given on the basis of the criteria which is used for the brand new products. Yes, the brand new products usually get certified at various sites to get it launched in the market. मार्केट में आने से पहले ब्रांड न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स को क्या किया जाता है, हर साइट पर सर्टिफाई किया जाता है, तब वो मार्केट में आता है. एंड रिफर्बिश्ड प्रोडक्ट्स जो है एक ही साइट पर जाकर जहां पर वो अवेलेबल है, there they are given a certification out there for all the categories. These categories includes all the specifications it has, like the display it has, we talk about the camera quality, battery life, scratches, buttons, internal features of the phone like the CPU, operating system, GPU, NFS, infrared, Wi-Fi hotspot, anything. N number of specifications are there, so N number of criteria, like 29 parameters are there, which sets the refurbished product as a brand new type product. So they are almost newly like. What additional benefits you get from the refurbished products are like, you get to have a saving of 15%. Yes, you get to have a saving of 15% out there in the refurbished products. Why we say you get to have a savings? Because the next point clearly defines the savings point out here, because it comes in pocketable rates. Pocketable rates में आता है, if they are in pocketable rates, then definitely you get to see that these products, refurbished products, give you a saving, because brand new products are actually slightly expensive out here. They are slightly expensive, we can say. Whereas the refurbished products are quite pocket friendly rates and quite less, or we can say much cheaper than the brand new products. So you can save actually up to 15%, like approximately 15% you can easily save out. Whereas you also get to have a 6 months warranty period. Yes, you get to have a 6 months warranty period also. Usually brand new products have a warranty period of 1 year, so you usually don't get warranty period of the products which are once used by the user and they are then again used by another user. So the refurbished product or the products which have a condition of certified refurbishness are actually having a warranty period of 6 months. Whereas you also get to have 7 days exchange policy. Yes, 7 days exchange policy is also there, where you get to exchange the product if it's not actually good enough for the usage, or you also get the money back guarantee out there. So that's really an amazing feature out here for this amazing category called refurbishness or refurbished products. Actually, what happens in this product, or we can say in this everything out there, it the simple thing happens out here is brand new products are directly from the company to the users, like without a mediator, without being once used. That is directly first time. Whereas the refurbished products are like they have been used first and the user does not want to use anymore, and it's absolutely in good condition out there, that is verified out there, that is checked out there, then it is given a certificate, and then it is again relaunched in the market on various sites where it is categorized as refurbished, and there we can use it, and that's absolutely newly like product out here with pocketable rate savings, 6 months warranty, exchange policy, everything is given to that. Talking about this refurbished product, this side which I have already shown you has got beautiful featured phones out there. Yes, so very amazing phones out here, or you can say the good quality or amazing phones out here. The site name is phoneson.ae, yes, which I have already told you. Phoneson.ae is the site name out here. And when we talk about this site out there, we can say that this site offers not you just one brand out here, but n number of brands, which we have already seen that this category offers you n number of brands, as well as you get to have COD, free shipping, and original products, as well as you get to see n number of models out here. So definitely you can check this out, because this website offers you great pricing and as well as the best price from the market. So the website link has been given in the description box, or you can Google it by phonezone.ae. This is the website name. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. और इस वेबसाइट को जरूर ट्राई कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज यहाँ पर आपको मिलते हैं बेस्ट मार्केट प्राइस के प्रोडक्ट्स यहाँ पर. एंड टिल देन टेक केयर. और आपको कोई और कंफ्यूजन, यू कैन लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन.